Now let's do this side.
Switch chairs.
Okay, switch come over here to the new one.
Mm.
Okay. Very good, girl.
Good job. There you go. Good job.